Welcome to the Culinary Coliseum. This mega factory processes over 50 tons of premium poultry. It looks like science fiction, but this is the cutting edge of food tech.
Hygiene is king here. High-pressure jets blast the fillets with purified water. The result? A perfectly textured ground blend. It's consistent, it's fresh, and it's ready to absorb a massive hit of flavor.
Here comes the heat. We aren't making bland food today. A proprietary blend of smoked paprika, garlic, and ghost pepper kicks things up a notch. Massive steel arms knead the spices deep into the protein. This ensures every single bite of your burger packs the exact same spicy punch.
Precision molding. This machine stamps out 300 patties a minute, each one weighing exactly 4 ounces. No more, no less.
Next, the bath. This golden batter creates the adhesive bond that will hold on to our crispy coating. It's a waterfall of flavor.
And into the crunch zone. This specialized blend of panko and flour is what gives the burger that signature audible snap when you bite in.
Robotic hands ensure total coverage. No bald spots allowed on these burgers. We want maximum crunch on every square millimeter.
The fryer is a beast. 60 feet long and filled with high oleic oil, kept at a blistering 350 degrees.
Look at that sear. The moisture is locked in instantly, while the breading transforms into a golden armor of deliciousness. Emerging from the inferno, perfectly cooked, golden, crispy, and steaming hot. But we aren't done yet.
Safety first. Thermal cameras scan every single patty. If the core temperature isn't perfect, the system rejects it automatically.
Meanwhile, in the bakery wing, a blizzard of premium wheat flour marks the beginning of the perfect bun.
Water, yeast, and melted butter join the party.
These industrial hooks develop the gluten network. That stretch? That's the secret to a bun that's soft but sturdy enough to hold the toppings.
The divider works with surgical speed, portioning the dough into identical spheres ready for the proofing chamber. Into the sauna. The proofing chamber is kept at high humidity to wake up the yeast and help the dough rise. In just 45 minutes, the yeast does its work, pumping air bubbles into the dough for that cloud-like fluffiness.
Into the tunnel oven. It's a traveling hearth that bakes thousands of buns an hour with radiant heat.
This is the Maillard reaction in action. Sugars caramelize, creating that golden brown dome and that irresistible fresh bread smell.
A quick shower of shine glaze gives them that photo-ready finish before they head to the cooling spiral. Laser-guided slicers cut the buns with zero crushing. We need a flat, even surface for toasting. Over in the green room, fresh iceberg lettuce gets a jacuzzi treatment. Cold, crisp, and thoroughly washed. We spin-dry the greens to remove excess moisture. Nobody likes a soggy burger, and dry lettuce stays crunchy longer. The shredders make short work of the heads, creating the perfect confetti of crunch to balance the heat of the chicken. Only the reedest, ripest tomatoes make the cut. They are washed and prepped for the high-speed slicers.
Razor-sharp blades slice cleanly through the skin. We want firm slices that hold their shape, not mush.
And the tangy kick, crinkle cut pickles. They bring the acid that cuts through the richness of the fried chicken.
The secret weapon? The spicy mayo. It's a creamy emulsion base waiting for the fire.
We fold in crushed chilies and a secret spice extract. It turns the sauce a dangerous shade of orange.
Assembly time. The bottom buns, or heels, line up like soldiers ready for duty.
First, a foundation of fire. A calibrated shot of spicy sauce seals the bottom bun.
The star of the show arrives. The crispy chicken fillet is placed with robotic precision, dead center.
A cool blanket of shredded lettuce rains down, adding color and that essential temperature contrast.
2 slices of tomato for juiciness. The robots handle these delicate slices without bruising them. A slice of mild cheddar. The residual heat from the chicken begins to melt it immediately. Double pickles for the win. That vinegar snap is the final flavor component. The crowns get a quick pass through the high-speed toaster to caramelize the sugars and prevent sogginess.
We don't stop at the bottom. The top bun gets a second dose of spicy sauce.
Packed and complete. A masterpiece of industrial engineering and culinary science. Just look at that army of flavor. Thousands of burgers, identical in every way, marching toward packaging.
Human eyes are the final test. If it doesn't look perfect, it doesn't leave the floor.
The packaging line moves at a blur. Flat cardboard becomes a protective shell in a fraction of a second. A perfect fit. The box is designed to vent steam so the bun stays soft, but the chicken stays crispy.
Sealed for freshness. The branding is crisp, the box is sturdy, and it's ready to go.
Laser-etched expiration dates mean no ink contamination and perfect traceability for every batch. The master cartons are erected automatically. We go through miles of cardboard a day.
Grouped and gathered. Automation handles the logistics, so humans don't have to do the heavy lifting.
Gentle giants. These vacuum lifts place the product softly to ensure not a single bun gets squashed. Shrink-wrapped for stability. This bundle is now a solid brick of product, easy to stack and ship.
Sealed up tight. This box is about to travel hundreds of miles to a freezer near you.
Tagged and tracked. We know exactly where this box is going from the moment the label hits. Up to the mezzanine for palletizing. The spiral conveyor saves floor space and looks pretty cool doing it. The palletizer robot creates an interlocking pattern that ensures the stack won't tip over during transport. Wrapped tight. This stretch film secures the load for the bumpy road ahead. Off to the deep freeze. It moves from the production line to the cold chain in minutes. This is the Arctic zone. Minus 10 degrees keeps everything suspended in perfect freshness. Loaded up. This reefer truck is a mobile freezer, maintaining the cold chain all the way to the distribution center. On the road. These trucks are the lifeblood of the operation, delivering 24/7. Logistics is a game of inches and minutes. Efficiency here saves millions. Arrival at the distribution hub. The night shift is just getting started.
Sorted, routed, and reloaded. It's a high-speed ballet of cardboard.
Last mile delivery. The sun is up, and the restaurants are prepping for the lunch rush.
Destination reached. From raw ingredients to the restaurant back door in record time. Into the kitchen. This is where the factory precision meets the chef's touch. Kept hot and ready. The heat lamp maintains that perfect serving temperature.
Enjoy your meal.
Order up! The moment of truth has arrived.
It's been a long journey for this burger, but it's about to disappear in seconds.
Behold, the spicy chicken burger. Perfectly built, perfectly spicy.
That crunch, that spice, that is the taste of engineering perfection.
Every night, the factory is scrubbed top to bottom. It has to be spotless for tomorrow.
Systems offline. A brief rest for the machines.
The mega factory sleeps, but only for a few hours.
From the spice blend
point to the perfect rise. The freshest cuts.
The golden fry.
And the robotic precision. It all comes together. This is the heartbeat of the food industry.
Another day, another 50 tons. The systems are priming. And we are back online.
The beast awakens!
Round 2! Let's do it all again!
Raw potential, ready for transformation. Power and consistency.
Science ensures safety.
Quality at the molecular level.
The golden bath.
The crunch factor. Coated to perfection. Fire and heat.
Reaching new heights.
Cooling down for the cut.
Only the best leaves pass. Perfection is the standard. Cleanliness in every step.
Maintained for maximum uptime.
The meltiest cheddar.
The tangy splash.
Speed is the name of the game.
If it's not right, it's out. Marked for quality.
Sealed tight.
Ready to ship. Ready to ship. The warehouse of the future.
Signed and sealed.
Fueled for the long haul.
Don't forget the fries.
The perfect pair.
The full meal deal.
Food brings us together.
The finishing touch.
Look at those layers. That is flavor engineering.
For those who like it extra hot. Sustainable finish. Closing the loop. Responsible production.
Powered by the sun.
As the sun sets, the work continues.
Under pressure.
Moving the world, one link at a time.
Quiet efficiency. The brain of the operation.
A space for the crew.
The uniforms of quality. Hygiene starts at the door. Clean hands, clean food.
Rain or shine.
Through every season. It starts with a simple grain. Golden perfection. Freshness falling. Packed with pride. A legacy of flavor.
Safe and secure.
The sun rises on another 50 tons.
Lights on.
Let's roll!
The Spicy Chicken Burger. A mega factory marvel. Bon appétit!